Hey everybody, Happy New Year. How's it going? Chris Smith here. Welcome back to Digital Chalk. It is 2020. The new decade is here and it's time to dream big, guys. That's what I want to talk to you about today is dreaming big. Your ideas, guys, are worth money. Don't let it pass you by. The things that bring you joy, the things that you like to do, the things that always occupy your thoughts. Somewhere in there is an opportunity for you to dream big and turn your ideas into a business and make some money and create an online course business out of your knowledge and out of your expertise. Maybe you already have a brick and mortar, you're doing live courses where you share your knowledge, you share your expertise on site. DigitalChalk can help you bring that to the online space and sell it exponentially to more people. Let's create that dream business, guys. Today I want to talk about just a few features to help you do that. Many of my clients, they get started with video and PowerPoints. Maybe that's what they're doing from their live training or their live courses, and they have some of those components available to them from their live sessions. Or maybe you have some content on your machine, but you don't think it's quite good enough. If you're here, I could tell you you have what you need. You're ready to go. Let me just show you a few things in our tool, in our platform to help you along. So we won't take up too much time today. Let's see how quickly I could show you this, but I do encourage you to learn more by contacting me. Give me a call, shoot me an email. I have a scheduling link here. You could schedule some of my time and we could go through this together. We'll talk ideas. We'll talk big dreams. Today's course that I want to talk about is exactly that. It's on big dreams. I've gone in and used just a few of the tools available to me from the DigitalChalk platform and created a course on dreaming big, because that's what I want to talk about today, our big dreams. You can see I'm registered for this course. I'm in a dashboard here where this course is waiting for me because I registered Dreaming Big in 2020. Awesome. Let's take a look. We have our course page here the way your student would see it. Dreaming Big in 2020. Great description here. Now, what's cool about this is I have all of these elements. These elements are pieces of content that make up a course. Documents and videos and PowerPoints and live training. You could add all of this to a course very easily in the DigitalChalk platform. We have about 11, 12 different course elements, different content types that you could use to build out your course. Today I'm going to focus on video and PowerPoint and documents. A lot of times that's how my users get started, with those course elements. Let's talk about those today. But know that we have a full, powerful suite of features to help you realize your big dream. Now, take a look at these. Down the side of the page, you'll see all the course elements we have available. See that? All of these are available for you to make a comprehensive course, to easily go through and present and deliver your content to somebody who's eager to learn. You're eager to teach. You have a great idea. It's going to make you money. Let's deliver it. Let's get it done. Let's get it done easily. So these are some of the course elements that I have created. I have created a chalkboard to show how we can deliver video to your users. I've uploaded a file document. Typically, that's how these courses start. Maybe it's a course syllabus, a file, a handbook. Whatever the case is, it's very easy to upload documents and get started. Some people's entire course exists in the form of a PDF, in sections or modules, things like that. A lot of options here. I put in a PowerPoint and our system converted it into this really cool interactive component of this course to where it can be interacted with by your student and also tracked. We know what's going on in this actual PowerPoint. I'll just show you a little bit of that. And then I put together some video course elements, two different kinds, just to show the flexibility of this particular tool. And I'm also bringing in a little bit of internet content as part of my course. Between these four elements, I have a full course ready to go. We looked at it here. Your student comes in, they have a an intro of the course here, whatever text description you want to put, and they can jump right into this course. This is actually what the student would see. There's so many different ways to format this or configure it. You can see I have it available to where you and we can go into all of these course elements at will. You may want to change that to where your user has to complete the first one successfully before they go to the next one. We understand that's an easy configuration you could do here in the course. This first course element, it's a document. Oftentimes people start these courses out with a course syllabus, a handbook, whatever the case may be. You can see I've uploaded a real basic PDF here that talks about dreaming big as the first course element in my course. Real simple file upload, that's all it is. And look at that, the system knows that I completed it and it's telling me where I left off. Internet content element, this is called a web archive. Dream big, guys, don't let no content hold you back. I'm bringing in a piece of internet content here as part of my course. As you can see, it's relevant. I didn't write this content, I'm just using it to support my course. That's part of the flexibility of the DigitalChalk suite of products. A lot of times this is a YouTube video or a YouTube channel. Maybe it's your Google Drive, and that first course element is a link to that drive or a link to that YouTube channel. Very easy to use, very flexible. Again, 5 reasons why you should dream big in life. This is content from the internet I'm using to support our goal of dreaming big. The course now knows I've completed that, and it'll move us on. One more thing I'll show you here. A lot of my clients, they have PowerPoint content ready to go. People who have been in the training business, before the advent of awesome online training tools like DigitalChalk. A lot of times this starts out with a slideshow and a live presentation. We make it very easy to upload PowerPoints. Take a look here. Not only have we uploaded this PowerPoint, but our system has converted it into what we call a SCORM object, making it interactive and easy to use. It also makes it trackable. This is a PowerPoint that I've input. I've uploaded it. It's as simple as that. Our system has converted it. It's on Dreaming Big that fits our course. I'll hit play because we put that cool play button in the center of the PowerPoint here. That's part of the conversion. And then I have these controls that let me go forward or backwards or hit play. Maybe you turn off the forward progress and I go at your slideshow intervals. Any video, any audio, transitions, animations, anything you've built into that PowerPoint, come into the PowerPoint with it, and we convert it. If you look at the bottom right, you can see that it knows how many slides I've looked at. It knows what I've consumed. If I leave right now and come back in a couple days, it knows where to leave me off. So that's a PowerPoint element. Again, just a very, very easy way to get involved. And look at that, it knows we've completed that. Video elements, one of the easiest ways you can get involved. Again, people who have done this for a long time or people who are eager and have a big idea oftentimes will have video. Maybe the video is on a YouTube channel, maybe it's on Vimeo, maybe it's sitting on your computer ready to be shared with the world. DigitalChalk will give you a tool to present that video and deliver it as part of your training. Let me show you what I mean. We won't watch this whole thing, don't worry. But I do want to show you what our chalkboards are capable of. It's probably our most popular course element. The reason is its versatility. You can come in with a chalkboard and add your video. You could perfectly sync your PowerPoint up to what you're saying in the video, and you could ask questions along the way. Making sure your user is one, paying attention.
How much did they first pay to give up on your dreams?
That they understand what they're watching.
When we're going to stop and come back and do what makes you happy.
As you can see right here at 10 seconds, I've added a checkpoint. Hey, are you still there? Are you still engaged? It's important. Sometimes our users check out. They hit play and they walk across the room, they come back and they say they're finished even though they didn't watch a minute. But if they hit I'm here,
you know why kids love that?
Just let them keep going.
Kids love acting.
That's one way to do it. Here's another way. At 15 seconds, I've added a checkpoint that's a question. It helps me to understand if you understand the content you just watched. Here I have a simple multiple choice. Are your dreams worth money? Of course they are. The answer is
Because they
yes.
follow their dreams.
I've given you a little message here. Great job.
I see guys who are working the same company their entire
synced
lives.
with what I'm saying in the
Clock
video.
in, clock
I'm
out.
asking questions
They never
along
have
the
a
way.
moment.
I'm also going to have chapters here, so my user can
You have an
navigate
opportunity.
to exactly where they want to go.
This is a rebirth.
Chalkboard's one of our most popular course elements. Very flexible. You're provided with training and onboarding and live support. We'll help you get started. We'll help you monetize your big idea. Back into our course, let me show you one more way to display video. Maybe you don't have the slideshow, you just want the video only. It's very common. By the way, these chalkboards we host the video. They're secure, the video cannot be pulled down. However, like I showed you in the 5 reasons to dream big, the internet content I brought in as part of my course, maybe you're just bringing in a link to a YouTube video and not hosting it here. It's really up to you how you configure this. It's such a flexible tool. I can't wait to tell you more about it. This is video only, guys.
How much did they first
The same
pay
content
people
we
about
just
my
looked at with the absence of the slideshow.
When
It's
you gonna
audio
stop?
only,
Come back
voice
to
over the
make sure
slideshow with these chalkboards. Again, we could check for understanding. We can make sure our users are still here throughout. You can have
know
as
what
many
kids
of these
love
checkpoints
athletes.
as you'd like.
Kids love athletes.
You could ask as many of these questions as you'd like throughout the video. Everything gets
'Cause they
recorded
love
to
their
your
dreams.
gradebook. You can go into the gradebook and
I
see
see
how that
guys
goes.
who are working the same company their entire lives.
So we've looked at a video piece of content. We looked at file uploads. We looked at internet content being brought in as part of your course. We even looked at PowerPoint. Now, as you can see, that's just a few things we're capable of here at Digital Chalk. I'd love to tell you more about it. All of these tools are available for you to help you accomplish your big dreams. When you're done creating this course, and we could do it together, you could even create a marketing landing page to present it, to sell it. Everything I need to take and process payment is included right here in the Digital Chalk platform. There's no need for me to bring in a third-party solution like Stripe or PayPal. I can if I want, but everything I need is right here. Even if I want to sell multi-seat registrations or give your course on dreaming big as a gift, I could do that with our multi-seat registration and gift registration. I have a big, prominent video describing what to expect from this course, describing why you should dream big, what about me as the instructor, whatever you want to put here, you can. I have a text description with quotes, and I can even advertise other courses I might have for sale on this marketing landing page. No website, not a problem. You could use these marketing landing pages as your digital presence. If you want, Digital Chalk could help you even further by creating websites and digital presence for you to sell your courses. It's time to dream big, guys. Happy New Year. Happy new decade. Give me a call, shoot me an email. I want to talk to you more about this. Let's get this done together, guys. A lot of possibilities. Let's take advantage of it.